Hello everyone, this is King Kong IoT. These days we are making the YouTube live stream, so you can remote control our house model by your mobile phone or by your PC software. So this video I will tell you the solution of the remote control the YouTube live. Maybe you have demonstrate for your customers. So let's look at this mobile phone because you can also use your PC software. Just I will take the video from the mobile phone. Is easy. This mobile phone is our YouTube video, and this is the Home Assistant. This Home Assistant you can also open in your PC web browser. Not must use the mobile phone. So we can see the left is YouTube video, and this is my Home Assistant. I can turn on the light one. You can see the light is on of the model, but the YouTube video will have delay time. You can see now the light is on, so it about have 5 or 10 seconds. Maybe your country is far from our country, will be more delay time. I can also turn off the light. You can see the light will be off. Now I'm ready to turn all on, already on. Just press. You can see the module all is on, and the video also will all on. You can see now it's all on. Now I press all off. The module will right now turn all off, and also the video will turn the door, the curtain, the garage, all is on off. So this is for demonstration for YouTube live stream for show your product remotely, and also everyone can log in with IP and the port to control this module. So this is a demonstration. I will tell you the principle because we have installed this H32B relay controller inside just at the bottom of the house, and the Home Assistant is control and work in local network. We use this connect with the Home Assistant running on the Raspberry Pi 4 by MQTT by the TCP. But how can you remote control my house? Because I'm in China, you will maybe in any other overseas country. Because I have used the DDNS function in my route. I have used the Alibaba DDNS service. This is very stable. I have tested for 1 week. So it will let your local network, the LAN device, can remote control in anywhere. Because just if your home and your house have one IP, the public IP, so you can use a plugin installed on your route and link with the DDNS service. It will be free. You just have a domain. You will have the service for DDNS. So it will confirm the domain name like house.kingkoning.com convert to the IP. And the IP, because the public IP will update for every day. So the domain will be updated automatically by the plugin in your route. This every day I will receive the message the domain name IP is changed before and now. What is the new IP will tell me by the mobile phone. So this is the solution for you remote control your device in local network without any cloud server. So it's very safety. All is private, and all the data is in your home. If you want to try to control this house, we will leave it all the time and will always on for this live stream. So you can use the IP and the username and the password I have write down in the video description. So you can use your web browser in your phone or in your PC or in your Apple Mac. So you can log and control every channel output for the relay. You can try, it's very interesting. And also we will make some more new situation for the new YouTube live for you to play it. I think it will be very funny interesting for you to play with the house or other device. Okay, thanks for watching.